मैं कैसे म्यूट हो गई थी? टुडे इज गोना बी अ वेरी कामिंग सेशन, ओके, जस्ट लाइक जो इतना आपने ड्यूरिंग दिस मंथ हैवी हीलिंग करी है, टुडे इज गोइंग टू जस्ट ग्राउंड योर सेल्फ इन एवरीथिंग, फॉर गिविंग योर सेल्फ, ओके. सो व्हाट वाज आई सेइंग? Yes. Ki this mudra, okay, how would you do? These are your hands, entangle your thumbs. So whenever you feel heavy, angry, overwhelmed, anxious, jittery, scared, right? You just have to bring your power back. होता क्या है? Somewhere somebody is sending you negative energy. That somewhere somebody can be you also. You thinking negative about you. Okay? You feeling like कि I'm not loved. सब मेरे साथ ऐसा ही करते हैं. All you have to do is stop. पता चल गया कि कुछ नेगेटिव आ रहा है, स्टॉप एंड देन प्रोसेस योर इमोशन. दिस इज गरुड़ मुद्रा. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोटेक्शन मुद्रा. इट स्पॉन्टेनियसली शिफ्ट्स योर एनर्जी फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव. इसको बहुत पावरफुल मुद्रा जाना जाता है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू क्रॉस योर थम्स लाइक दिस, पुट इट ऑन योर चेस्ट नियर योर हार्ट वेयर योर हार्ट चक्र इज, एंड जस्ट हैव टू से व्हाट यू हैव टू से. Even though I was told that these emotions are unsafe, I choose to feel safe now. Right? This is very, very powerful mantra, mudra, kuch bhi keh lo. 3 times you will recite it. Even though, take a deep breath in and relax. And say, even though I was told these emotions are unsafe, I now choose to feel safe now. All the negative energies drawn towards me are now transmuted into white light. All the negative, unsupportive foreign energies drawn towards me are now transmuted into white light. So this is a quick switch which will shift your vibration. And from here, whatever you think, whatever you do will work 100x more powerful in your favor. कुछ भी सही गलत नहीं होता. नथिंग इज बैड, नथिंग इज राइट, नथिंग इज रॉन्ग. द थिंग इज योर माइंड स्टार्ट्स क्रिएटिंग नेगेटिव स्टोरीज ऑफ फेलियर्स, जजमेंट्स, betrayals, right? And then you just give up to it. Temporarily, you may feel that overwhelming feeling, but quickly come out of it, change the switch, and then perform whatever you were going to perform. You will perform 100x better. Okay. So ready to do the inner child meditation, everybody here? And on Friday, we are going to dive deeper into chakras, ki how this inner child wounds, how our past lives data, how our ancestors' traumas, plus all the negative self-talk which we keep replaying in the back of our mind throughout the day, and we give our power up to the people, how to bring back, how it impacts your chakras. So your chakras get misaligned because you do not take charge. So on Friday, I am going to take a very deep session on chakras, how our chakras create our reality. Yeah, everything in our life is happening because of the frequency of our chakras. So you will understand we are not this physical body, but we are the energy body. But because we are not taught about it, we feel like हमारा ही कसूर है, हम ही कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं, हम ही में कुछ कमी है. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Every moment of life, you are God. You are always a God. But because you believe in what others tell you or what your negative self, adult self, tell you as per their experiences, and because you do not take charge to pivot your self talk, so it blocks your chakras, right? Your energy turbines, which are a part of your energy body, which then creates your physical body. Physical body is the printout, output, right? And what is the input kahan hai? Where is it getting it getting constructed? It is the energy body, right? Energy body, which primarily consists of so many chakras, but predominantly we sum up to the 7 main chakras, right? So all this we'll understand how we can take charge back of our chakras and create a life of abundance so easily, so quickly, right? No lengthy processes or no lengthy meditations. Quick shift. Okay, chalo ji. And right now we are going to do a very beautiful inner child meditation, right? Then we'll be doing releasing through EFT the guilts that are piling up on day to day life. कौन से guilts हैं हमारे? Firstly, we'll note around motherhood, around employee, around a businessman or businesswoman, around how you want to spend your life, but you are not, right? Around your money, so many guilts. Yeah. And then we'll end up with tarot guidance. Okay. For any question you might be, thinking about or stressing about. Chalo ji. Quickly drink your water and I will start the meditation. Bring your water, drink it, sip by sip, 2, 3 sips. Let me start the music. And we are going to do a very beautiful inner child meditation. Tell me, is the music audible? Can you hear it? No? The music is audible? And how's my sound? Both are okay? ठीक है? चलो, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sink in with the music. Take a deep breath in. And exhale all the clouds of worries, anxieties, any overwhelming thoughts about past, present, future. Just exhale it out. Take a deep breath in. Hold it in your tummy. And exhale slowly. Allow your body and mind to just relax. Repeat in your mind 3 times. I relax. I relax. I relax. Keep your eyes closed and observe your breathing. You can join your hands or keep your hands on any part of your body where you feel any sort of heaviness, where you want to send high vibrations of healing today. Any area of your life giving you trouble, or any area of your life you are not feeling clarity about, allow the light to heal that part during this meditation. Allow each cell of your body to expand as you breathe in. Feel your expanded body. And as you exhale, feel the contraction. As you inhale, feel the expansion, your body becoming larger, bigger. And as you exhale, allow all the low vibratory data which you are not even aware of, just exhale. Just visualize your body and focus on your mind, on your heart, on your stomach, and on your feet. Just visualize that you are getting more and more grounded. We are going to access our subconscious parts of being and removing all that is not serving us anymore. Visualize strong roots growing from your feet and going deep inside of earth. The more you come to this space during the day, more you start getting aligned with the universe, and your manifestations start happening more quickly, easily, effortlessly, and smoothly. So visualize strong roots growing from your feet, and as the roots are growing deeper and deeper into the earth, you are allowing the powerful, positive, protective energy of the earth to become activated. As the powerful, positive, protective energy of the earth is entering your root chakra, feel the red color of root chakra becoming more and more vibrant. And now its fire is dissolving any worries, any stress, any confusion, any doubt that is there within you. All the stories of rejections, failures, feeling insecure, unsafe are dissolving and flowing from you, from your mind, from your subconscious, down towards your heart, to your cells. It's all moving and passing towards your heart, then through your stomach, finally flowing through your feet, and through the strong roots. These disturbed energies of stress, anxiety, worries, sadness, frustration, doubts, hurts, and overwhelms are moving deep into the earth as the grey cloud leaving your body permanently. Every time you exhale, you release these disturbed energies of stress, because it's only blocking your manifestations, and hence you have the free will to enter this space and empty yourself. Feel your body becoming lighter, more lighter and lighter. Relax your hands. Feel the divinity cleansing all that needs to be cleansed in this divine moment. Feel the gratitude and opportunity to sit for cleansing. Be proud of yourself. And now feel that the healing energy of earth is neutralizing all your low vibrations, all your wounds and traumas, even if you don't know about it. Absolutely fine. The universe, the divine knows everything. Your higher self, your inner child knows everything. Trust the inner self, trust the divine, and have faith that you are protected and you are always taken care of. Keep coming back to your breath, deepening your breath. The more deeper your breath is, the slower your breath is, faster the clearing. The earth energies are neutralizing all your worries, all your anxiousness, all your childhood traumas, all your teenage traumas, all your current life traumas. And now just follow my voice and try to say along with me. Start rubbing your heart in anti-clockwise direction and say, every day my heart is healing. Thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity to cleanse, purify, and heal all the negative, unsupportive data blocking my manifestations. Keep rubbing your heart and say, I'm releasing all the negative energy from my heart, be it created by myself or sent by others. I choose to be free. Feel the love for your heart chakra. Your heart chakra was waiting for this moment that you come and caress them. Repeat aloud in your mind, I'm a strong and a loving person. As you are repeating this statement, I'm a strong and a loving person, I'm giving you a Reiki Grand Mastery symbol to heal your heart and fill it with joy and happiness, removing all the pain your soul have been carrying. Feel a divine bubble of divine light encircling you, making you feel safe and rooted. And repeat after me, I'm a strong and a loving person. I have the ability to love truly, unconditionally, and wholeheartedly. In this subconscious state, whatever you are repeating after me is deeply embedding into your subconscious mind, which creates your reality. The more you repeat these statements every single day, they become your automatic code. So repeat, revise, reinforce. Keep telling your mind, I'm safe, I'm strong, I'm loving, unconditionally. I'm ready and excited for a new beginning in my life. I surrender to whatever life unfolds for me. My heart is healing more and more each day. Our heart chakra is the portal of abundance. A blocked heart chakra repels the abundance, but an open heart chakra attracts money, love, support like anything. So keep telling yourself, my heart is healing more and more each day. I trust that everything happens for my own well-being and happiness. I believe in myself. I'm excited to follow my passion. I'm excited to reconnect with my divine inner child. And I trust that everything is happening for my own well-being, evolution, my own happiness. I am protected. My family and friends are protected, prospered, and guided. All my needs are taken care of. Every day I'm trusting my intuition and working with the power of intention. I am now leading a God-led life, and I choose not to succumb to my fears, doubts, and confusions. I follow my heart. My heart always shows me the right way for me. I have an unconditional love inside of me. Open up your chest, open your heart chakra, and feel the love. Feel the vibrations of love inside of you, no matter what your current circumstances are. Keep a beautiful smile on your face and say, every wound that has punctured my soul is being filled with love, divine love. I am the creator of my own love. My heart is open to give and receive love. Expand your chest, keep receiving in. Allow your cells to embrace the codes that I am installing in you. My heart energies are opening and balancing. Breathe through your chest, breathe through your heart, guys, and say, I'm opening to all that universe has to offer me. I no longer stand in the way. Imagine your heart being expansive like an ocean, filled with gratitude, love, forgiveness, acceptance. You are ready to forgive people who hurt you. You are ready to forgive your parents who wrongly, unknowingly, or knowingly wrongly programmed you. You are ready to forgive yourself for all the guilts, inactions, wrong decisions. And you are ready to forgive everyone who ever troubled you, because your heart is expanding with unconditional love and wisdom of God. And as you are expanding, you are receiving love from every direction. Even your haters are becoming your admirers. You are giving out love. And receiving love from every direction of the planet, every corner of the universe. Embrace it. Bathe into it. Visualize all your dreams are coming true. In this divine hour, everything you have ever dreamt of is received and achieved effortlessly. And now say after me, speak it in your mind, I am sorry for any trauma, childhood trauma, mother or father wounds that I am still carrying. Even if I am not aware of, I take 100% responsibility for my inner childhood wounds when I perceived life in a different light. All I know is that I did my best with the understanding that I had as a child. And my parents did their best with all that they know. I'm ready to heal from it. Please forgive me for not being aware of my inner childhood wounds. Please forgive me for disconnecting with my inner child, not knowing what he or she went through that is causing me pain or struggles, any confusions or illusions in the present life. I still choose to love and accept myself the way I am. Visualize that little girl or little boy within you who was waiting for you, and finally you are there in front of them. Hold its hand and say, please forgive me for criticizing you, abandoning you, betraying you, for judging you, for not being with you when you needed me the most. I'm sorry for not being there with you sometimes. I'm sorry for putting you in places where you were belittled, where you felt disrespected. I'm sorry for craving for the bits and pieces of love. And hurting you for not getting it. I'm so sorry for not being there with you. I'm sorry for putting you in places where you were disrespected, judged, humiliated, betrayed, abandoned, rejected. I did not know any better. I am sorry, my dear inner child. Please forgive me. My dear divine inner child, I am back as a healed adult self. And I promise from now onwards, I'm always here to protect you, guide you, lead you. I'm a forgiving and a loving person. I release all the wounds, all the trauma with every breath that I take. I release and I let go. I let go of all the energies, all the dark memories that no longer serve me. Just surrender, guys. Don't use logic. Don't feel panic. You are absolutely safe. And say, I let go all the energies. I'm breaking all the chains and patterns that causes me pain and hurt, that humiliate me, that make me feel less, that causes frustration within me. I let go and I release. I'm uprooting all the events, all the memories from my mental, emotional, physical, spiritual body that attract painful situations for me. I release. I'm uprooting. Visualize that energetically you are uprooting it with your hands forcefully from the roots, all the trauma, all the wounds. Even if you do not remember, it's perfectly fine. Allow your subconscious do the work. Whatever causes you pain, whatever causes you stress and worries, you are just uprooting all those memories, all those traumas and wounds, and you are getting more clarity as you are coming back here every single day, uprooting all these roots of traumas and wounds. And no need to understand anything, just delete it, clean it, release it. Anything, if on the outside is not working for you is a simple implication that something within needs to be released. So promise yourself that every single day I release all negative energy from my heart, from my cells, from my aura. And as I release, I'm getting more and more clear of my life purpose, of what gives me joy, of what serves me. I'm ready to receive and gain love. Thank you for all the selfless love that I have within me already. I love myself. I accept myself. I approve of myself. I love you, my dear inner child. Hug yourself tightly, everyone. Cross your shoulders and feel the happiness and love within you. Cradle your shoulders like a baby and say, I approve of myself. I love myself. All my emotions are valid. I forgive myself. I am worthy just the way I am. I deserve happiness. Happiness is my birthright. I am worthy of abundance. Visualize all your dreams coming true. You are going on vacations, giggling with your loved ones, where everyone is treating you like a queen or a king. You are grabbing all the attention because your throat chakra is so healed and unblocked. Whatever you say is getting acknowledged. You are the king or queen of your kingdom because you have healed yourself of all the wounds and now you are one with God. So everyone loves to be around you. You are going on solo trips to expand your soul, meeting new people, telling them who you are. You are owning your power, your queenness. Your divine masculine and feminine are beautifully aligned and you are taking so much pride in you. And because of this balance, your aura is radiating abundance that everybody is getting attracted to you like a magnet. Wherever you are going, you are talking about your business, about your healing, about your transformation, about the impact you can create around you. Everybody is wanting to be your friend, your client, your connection for lifetimes. Your family members are inviting you. Without you, every function, every event is incomplete. Everybody in your family inquire about your busyness and schedule before organizing any events or functions or celebrations. You are feeling so important, so loved. Money is finding unexpected ways to come to you. You are feeling so perfect, whole, and complete. People come to you to share your joys. You have healed the codependency and neediness and clinginess of the relationships. You have become pure gold. Just visualize you living your dream, guys. All the abundance coming from every corner, every direction. You are no more bothered how to expand your business. How will people find you? what is going on in your own relationships and life. You have reached a neutral state. You have embraced life challenges so beautifully that you are now teaching people the secrets of living a holistic life. Your understanding of life has become so empowered that you are being called by various organizations and institutes to talk about healing and abundance and law of attraction and manifestations. Your kids, your in-laws, your life partner is taking pride in you and giving you freedom to live your dreams now. And even supporting you in living your dreams, participating and contributing to your joys. No more trauma bonds. Now repeat after me. I allow, I accept, and I enjoy good fortune from every direction of the universe. Allow it to receive it. Feel the happiness. Look at your inner children. They are smiling. All the wounds have been healed. All the wounds have been filled with your acceptance and with your apologies. You have so beautifully learned your lessons from every person who hurt you, from every situation that blocks you. You are beautifully outgrowing because you are now beautifully connected to your inner guidance. You have finally embraced all your emotions and not escaping any low vibration, instead sitting with them, acknowledging them, and releasing them with love, learning your lessons. You have learned the lesson that life is a beautiful lesson to be learned, enjoyed, celebrated. Repeat after me. I love myself. Universe is filled with love. I am surrounded by people who love and respect me. And visualize yourself becoming whole and one. Visualize yourself integrated into one energy with your inner children, the higher self, your current self becoming one. Experience the bliss, the joy, the happiness of receiving love and respect from every direction, every corner of the planet. And repeat after me. Everything works out for me easily, smoothly, effortlessly. Whatever I touch becomes gold. I'm giving you Reiki Grand Mastery symbol to allow your consciousness to absorb the wisdom and say, I'm attracting all the good and positive relationships in my life. Feel your sacral chakra activated, balanced. As you are repeating these statements, focus on your sacral chakra and say, I'm attracting the best opportunities. Focus on your third eye and say, I'm getting more and more clarity. All the illusions, the clouds of trauma are fading away. I'm trusting universe and its people. Visualize the sun shining brightly over you and receive the rays washing over your face. Raise your chin little up Allow the bright sunlight to purify your aura, purify your energy, healing your inner child. And say, I'm precious child of the universe. I'm the most precious child of the universe. I'm allowed to have fun. I'm allowed to experience pleasure in its purest form. I'm allowed to feel safe, rooted, and grounded. My inner voice, my inner emotions are valid. I express my voice with ease and composure. Thank you for this unconditional love, which is my natural state of being. I love you, my dear self. Take your name and say, I love you. Whatever you were called when you were a child, take that name and say, I love you so much. Hug yourself tight and say, I release any hurt or anger I've kept in my heart around me or any person around me or any situation of my life. I release any hurt or anger. My heart is recovering more and more each day. I choose to let go of all destructive patterns, feelings of rejection, abandonment, and betrayal. I give myself time and permission to heal. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. For all my emotional trauma, my wounds, whether I know it or not, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I am grateful. Feel each cell of your body beautifully healed and glorified. And say, I powerfully release all the blockages, all the trauma, all the wounds, whether I know it or not, from my present or past life. I powerfully release into the earth. And the earth is neutralizing every trauma, every low vibration, and transmuting it into white light, the source. Like a black hole is consuming all the trauma, and you are now becoming a sun shining with gold. And say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. All my cord cutting healers, you can apply the symbol here. The symbol of Yule and Sadhya. All my Reiki healers, you can apply Grand Mastery symbol or level 2 symbols on your heart chakra. Allow your soul to feel loved, accepted, acknowledged. I'm giving you protection symbol. You are now protected from all evil eyes and black magics. See, the inner child is hugging you back with love, feeling so safe with you. Just feel the love, becoming one with your inner child. Promise the inner child, make them feel safe, that you will again and again be with it. Every time they trigger you with the low vibrations, you will leave everything and soothe them with the process we did just now, by acknowledging what you are going through. They just need you and nobody else. You are going to become its angel. Visualize your current self like an angel on whom your inner child can always rely on. You are that adult self, matured self that your inner child desires. And when you engage yourself in distractions, addictions, it is a sense gratification. It doesn't solve the purpose. What solves the purpose is you embracing your inner child with the heightened awareness, letting them know that they are safe with you. When anybody can hurt them, betray them, leave them alone, you are the one standing with them, holding them tight and firm. So let your inner child know that they can always trust you. Become that person for your inner child, for yourself. Feel the love and faith they have in you. Promise yourself you will build this faith by repeating and reinforcing. Keep promising them. Not rubbing your palms together. Create healing vibrations, healing energies, and radiate within yourself, expanding through you into your environment. Give this healing energy to your heart chakra and just believe anyone who enters your aura gets healed automatically. The healing we have just done now has made you a magnet, that anyone who enters your aura gets healed automatically. You have become a people magnet. Just by being you, you heal people. You make people feel seen, safe, abundant, prosperous. Every thought that you create, every feeling that you are creating is devoted to healing, to getting better and better, feeling loved always, feeling the most precious child of God. And now slowly open your eyes and tell me, how are you feeling? Yes, share your experiences in the chat box. Tell me, how are you feeling? Any breakthrough you got? You know, in these self-soothing meditations, people get so many breakthroughs. You get your answers. So give yourself 3 to 4 hours of observation after these kinds of meditations. You get answers to your questions, your confusions. When you are feeling meaningless, purposeless, come back to this meditation, right? I'll share it separately like an audio. Anytime during the day, listen it once for 40 days and feel the magic. Yes, I just don't want to listen relaxed. It literally brings breakthroughs, transformations, right? Yes, Anuradha, tell me.
Yeah, initially I was not able to connect, but the moment I got connected, again, could feel that, my body is becoming too light, and I could see a image of a dog continuously for maybe for a minute or two. Proper पहली बार है I could see a furry dog.
Wow.
That's it. Then uske baad vibrations and everything was there, and I could feel lot of vibrations on my head.
It can be a guidance that there is something to do with in your life for the dogs. Yes,
Okay, possible.
good. Ponder over it, okay? Just
Okay.
ponder over it. Yes, anybody else? Or let's move on. Yes? Chalo ji, next activity. Thank you, Ruchi. I'm so happy that you are now passing that phase of hermitness. Yes? It was going on for after the retreat, I remember. I know. Yes. So these situations come to empower you, not to break you, right? Chalo. Let's have a beautiful picture first before doing the EFT to release our gills. Okay? Yes. Open your cameras, guys, everyone. Let's have a beautiful picture. Yes. Let's put the hearts again. One more picture. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Chalo ji. Please repeat this. Okay? Meditation. And within 11 to 21 days, you'll feel like lot has been released. And when you release and empty yourself, then what you are manifesting will manifest, right? Chalo ji. Now take out your paper before I do the practice of, tapping. Tapping, everybody knows. Only Shilpa is new here. Shilpa, you know the tapping points? No? Okay. See, what block do you know about manifestations and everything? Yes. So, whatever you are writing or manifesting for your coming month or next 6 months or year or lifetime, what happens is our own energy chakras block that. Okay. And what specifically blocks our chakras? The negative emotions, the negative self-talk, the negative beliefs. Okay. We call them disempowering energies and beliefs. And with tapping is the fast. अभी हमने क्या किया? Meditation थ्रू इनर चाइल्ड मेडिटेशन वी बिकम अवेयर आपको पता चला होगा ना कि अंदर कहाँ पर आई हैव स्टोर्ड सम रिजेक्शन सम इंसल्ट वेयर आई अलाउ पीपल टू वॉक ओवर मी बिलिटल मी ह्यूमिलेट सो दिस इज द अवेयरनेस मेडिटेशन में वी बिकम अवेयर ऑफ कि कहाँ पर डाटा रॉन्ग जा रहा है it can be coming from these days after marriage in job in career or they can be coming from teenage from college friends from teachers people outsiders okay or it can be or it can be coming from your inner child like parents fathers their life and everything all these are negative data and what does EFT do tapping do tapping immediately fastest way to release negative energies from your body it unblocks your chakras okay it dissolves all the negative energies and there are so many tapping points initially it was TFT but then it got converted into EFT and only 8 points major points we tap in जिनको
What
मेरिडियन
is the full
बोलते हैं
form of EFT?
या
What is the full form of EFT?
इमोशनल फ्रीडम टेक्निक okay so what does EFT do everybody knows that subconscious data is creating our reality which we are unaware of what does EFT do it allows your subconscious to come to conscious and when anything is in your conscious you can delete it release it rewrite it okay understood so what are the 8 main points where we tap and release all the bullshit which is not serving us once we release the bullshit we can install empowering thoughts and data which help us take immediate actions within 11 days of tapping you become an action taker अगर आप जो मैं सिखाती हूँ 11 days खुद से करो only coming to sessions and doing it with me live does not serve when you do it with me for the rest of the 11-21 days, do it yourself. I was thinking that EFT audio I want, thought of, yes, today you will understand beautifully. हम और कर भी हम most important process रहे हैं because the most dirty frequency, most lowest vibration that blocks our money, career is guilt. And abhi you will understand how. So what we are to tap, Shilpa? These points. One is eyebrow point. You can tap both. You can tap one, you can tap right, you can tap left. So tapping here gently, not very hardly. Second is side of the eyes. Please understand and then you will follow. Second is for everyone. Those who are my HHCP people, you needed to teach to your people. तो ये एक तरह की वो रिवीजन हो गई. Okay, one is eyebrow point. Second is side of the eyes. जब भी आप EFT सेशन लोगे ये लोगों को बताओगे, फर्स्ट टाइमर्स को नहीं पता होता. Third is under the eyes. Fourth is under the nose. Fifth is chin. Then is collarbone. Then is under the arms. 1, 2. दोनों में बारी बारी. And then crown. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Under the eye. Bone पे. 4, 5. Collarbone 6. Underarm 7. Crown 9. 8. And one more is karate chop with 3 to 4 fingers. ठीक है, इनको टैप करते करते एवरीबडी हियर, इफ यू कंसिस्टेंटली डू EFT फॉर 11 days 21 days, नथिंग कैन स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम टेकिंग एक्शन. आप एक्शन टेकर बन जाते हो, बट द ओनली कंडीशन इज क्या आपने 21 days डेली टैपिंग की. इफ यू डू इट, you achieve your goal like anything. Nothing can stop you. Because it is only your emotions that are blocking your manifestation, nothing else. With the tapping, we release those emotions. Correct? Chalo, let's do it. Quickly write down in your diary, what are you guilty about yourself? 10 to 20 points. So that when we write, we can connect. Or when I help you do EFT, you can connect. So होता है ना डेली लाइफ में, आई एम सो गिल्टी ऑफ नॉट टेकिंग द राइट एक्शंस, आई एम सो गिल्टी ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इन रॉन्ग बिजनेस, आई एम सो गिल्टी ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इन अ प्रोग्राम बट नॉट एबल टू टेक एक्शंस, आई एम सो गिल्टी ऑफ नॉट एक्सप्रेसिंग माई ओपिनियन व्हेन आई नीडेड टू. अंडरस्टैंड? सो कितना कुछ अंदर चल रहा होता है कि यार ऐसा कर लेना चाहिए था, नहीं किया. बट व्हेन यू अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू सिट ऑन दिस गिल्ट फॉर लॉन्ग, इट बिकम्स योर ब्लॉक. करेक्ट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अग्री? Sometimes you feel ना यार मेरा काम क्यों नहीं बन रहा. The thing is you are not releasing the guilt, the angers, the shame, right? These are the 3 major emotions. अगर हम guilt में रहते हैं, anger में रहते हैं या inaction में रहते हैं, if I keep telling myself ना यार I decide to do a lot of things but at the end of the day I do nothing, this is guilt. Either don't commit and don't do it, or commit and do it. बीच वाला जो गिल्ट पकड़े रखते हैं ना और रिलीज नहीं करते, दैट इज व्हाट ब्लॉक्स योर मनी, योर अबंडेंस, योर रिलेशनशिप्स. ओके? एंड इफ यू डोंट रिलीज द गिल्ट, you will attract more situations that build that guilt in you. Correct? Agree? Chalo. You can type in the chat box what you are guilty of, because the what you type here, it gets permanently released. Yes. For example, I was writing about me. Let me tell you. So many guilts we keep on holding. In the next session, we'll be doing tapping on overthinking and overanalysis. Okay? So for example, I was carrying deep guilt about things I said to someone which I didn't want to say. But in anger, I said. And now I wanted to release it. Okay? If I said something, then I felt guilty and do not release it, it will block my energy chakras. And this is not in my favor. I'm guilty of not giving the kids father's love. 100% beautiful, Swati. So release it. Because this guilt doesn't serve you. Permanently release it by tapping. I'm so guilty for not talking to my sister. Beautiful. I'm guilty of not spending enough time with my kids. 100% beautiful. I feel ashamed of my past mistakes. I felt like ये ऐसा ना होता तो अच्छा होता. ठीक है? I need to release this guilt. I need not sit on it. I'm guilty of not taking action. Yes, 100%. So, नहीं हुआ, release the guilt. Don't take this guilt of past into the tomorrow. That's our, mission. Okay? Whatever went wrong, release it. No need to carry it forward because it will block your energy. एक तरफ you are doing so much of inner work, efforts, hard work, putting money, time, and on the other side sitting on guilts, humiliations, rejections. You yourself are blocking your manifestation. Understanding? We write our goals, we write the gratitude, but then why don't we reach our goal? Because on the highway we are sitting on guilts, anger, resentments about us only. दूसरे भी नहीं होते many a times. Not saving money, 100%. I'm guilty for not saving money and spending and not having enough money for my kids' classes. Yes. So, Poonam, the most important is release the guilt. Ki it's okay, even though I'm guilty of not saving the money, still I choose to love and accept myself. So, are you understanding, becoming aware कि मेरे guilts हैं क्या? And बावजूद उन guilts के, बावजूद उन गलतियों के, you have to tell yourself, I still choose to love and accept myself. I'm guilty of not keep enrolling in so many things, yes, and not practicing regularly, 100%. I'm guilty of not giving quality time. Beautiful. I feel guilty of changing my job क्योंकि new job में they are treating me like a fresher. Yes, very nice. Becoming aware of कि मेरे अंदर क्या चीजें हैं जो मुझे less feel कराती हैं and releasing them brings you better results, better people, better opportunities. But if you are getting something from somewhere and feeling guilty, this is not going to serve you. Yes, I'm guilty of overthinking and not taking actions that can bring me results. Beautiful. And I'm guilty of not able to come out of that. Beautiful. Chalo, let's do the EFT. That's okay. So, the practice I'm going to do with you, become aware of your guilts every day. Take just 5 to 7 minutes to write down the guilts and just switch on this audio. इसको भी मैं एज अ ऑडियो ही भेजूंगी बाद में ट्रिम करके. जस्ट लिसन टू इट. 5 to 10 repetitions, it is permanently out. फिर बार बार नहीं आना होता इन पे. ओके, वंस इट इज डिलीटेड फिर गड़े मुर्दे नहीं उखाड़ने. हाँ जी बेटा. चलो एवरीबॉडी ड्रिंक योर वाटर. हम पानी क्यों पीते हैं बार बार? क्यों क्यों मैं इतना फोर्स करती हूँ ड्रिंक योर वाटर, ड्रिंक योर वाटर? बिकॉज ऑल द जॉब वी आर डूइंग हियर इज drinking water, sorry, releasing, healing, meditation, and water helps to flow it through all the body cells effortlessly, smoothly. Okay, water is the medium. We are made up of 70% water. Chalo, we'll do the quick EFT. My neighbor keeps saying ये पूरे दिन क्या करती है? Yes, and why are you buying their opinions, Poonam? Now you are a healer, now you are a coach. Huh? Do you want to give power to them? बोलो मैं सारा दिन रेस्ट करती हूँ. So what? Remember the power of self-talk. Do you want to take charge? So what is the switch word? So what? So what? तुम्हें क्या लेना देना? Do you give me salary? So if you do not talk to you like a matured adult self, your inner child will reject you. And when your inner child rejects you, he or she says, I've got such a bad mother. I'm unloved. I'm uncared. And you are only attracting more of what your inner child is feeling. Remember one thing, we are manifesting in our life absolutely what we feel, nothing else. Feelings are everything, emotions are everything. What is happening, damn care, but how you are feeling about it is what is manifesting in your reality. Okay, chalo, let's do the quick release. Chalo, come on, close your eyes, start tapping, put the journal pen aside, start tapping with me. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Close your eyes, keep your eyes closed, start tapping. Even though I've always kept things to myself and afraid to share my struggles, my guilts, my fears, and keep them within me and do not take any action to release them, allow these guilts to nest in me. I feel like I have to deal with it all alone. There is nobody on this earth who can help me. And I'm carrying this burden in silence, but today I choose to release it. I'm ready to open my heart to healing. Keep breathing in deeply and exhale through ha sound. Ha, like this while you do this practice, okay? So once again, even though I feel karate chop, even though I feel ashamed of my past, the mistakes I did, the relationships I lost, the messes I created, even when it is their fault, and I stopped talking to them, and I kept judging myself so harshly, I feel like I don't deserve to let it go. But today, I choose to give myself the grace I never received. Today, I choose to give myself the acceptance I never gave me. I choose to release the expectations, and I choose to believe that I'm worthy of self forgiveness. Today, I allow myself to forgive me for the mistakes I've done in the past. Mistakes are okay. I choose to allow myself to make the mistakes. Even though I carry deep guilt about the things I said or I didn't say, the times I let myself and others down or allowed others to let down me. I've been punishing myself for so long for my inactions, indecisions, wrong decisions, for not completing the things in time, for taking so much on my platter and not finishing the businesses. But I'm ready to break free from this cycle now. I choose to believe that I did my best with all that I knew, with all that I could do, with what I knew then and now. I choose healing over suffering. So relax, guys. Take a deep breath in and exhale with ha sound. Let's tap eyebrow points. Yes, I've been holding on to so much all by myself. Do the tapping only, then you will feel the release. Only listening does not work. I've been holding on to so much all by myself. Side of the eyes. I feel like I can't share my struggles with anyone. And I keep everything within me. That blocks all my chakras. Under the eyes, I've always been the strong one. I've always made myself believe I'm the one who handles everything. But no, I'm broken. I'm tired of carrying it all alone. Deep within, under the nose, deep within, I feel so heavy and so alone and abandoned. Chin, I don't want to burden others with my pain, so I keep myself silent. I feel like if I share something, I'll give them pain, and I don't want to see my people in pain. How can I give them pain? I cannot be the reason to add on to their pain. They are already struggling. Collarbone. So I swallow it all, pretending I'm okay. Everything is okay. All shall be okay. Underarms. But deep down, I crave to be seen, to be loved, to be hugged, to be heard, to be understood. Top of the head. It's so exhausting to carry this weight alone. I'm tired, yaar. I'm tired. Eyebrows. What if I could allow myself to be nurtured and supported without the need to prove myself? What if I didn't have to hold on to all the pain by myself? Side of the eyes, yes. What if I didn't have to hold on to all the pain by myself? Under the eyes, maybe sharing my truth won't make me weak. Maybe sharing my vulnerabilities become my strength. Under the nose, maybe it will set me free. Chin, I give myself permission to express my feelings. Yes, I allow myself to be vulnerable and real. Under arms, I'm safe to let others in. People are supportive. There are people who are good listeners. There are people who don't judge me, who empathize me, and who love me for who I am. They don't want to fix me. They love me with all my imperfections. I choose to open my eyes and heart to them. Above, top of the head. I don't have to do is this or handle this all alone anymore. Eyebrows, I choose to release this weight from my heart. I really, really want to release this weight from my heart once and forever. Side of the eyes, I welcome love, support, understanding. Under eyes, I'm lighter, freer, and more open to connection. Under the nose, I'm safe, I'm supported, I'm free. Chin, I choose to feel safe, nurtured, supported. I choose to free me of all the burdens, of the guilts and resentments, of the neediness to face it all alone. Collarbone, I choose to open myself to the people, the nice people, the really good people that exist. Yes, there are so many, and I am ready to open up myself and ask for help. Take a deep breath and release. Feel grounded. Release it. It's okay. I am safe. Tell yourself. Even though I was told these emotions are unsafe, I choose to feel safe. Another round, eyebrow points. Yes, I have made mistakes I deeply regret. I feel ashamed now. Side of the eyes, I feel ashamed of the choices I made in the past. The things left undone. The courses not finished. The classes missed. Under eyes, the things I did, the things I didn't do, and they haunt me. Under the nose, I feel like I can't forgive myself. Chin point, I replay those memories over and over again in my mind, and I keep coming back to them during the day. Collarbone, I judge myself so harshly. Underarms, I feel like I don't deserve to let it go. But what if I was just doing the best I could do? What if I didn't know any better at that time? Maybe I was just trying to survive and fit in. Maybe I was just trying to be seen, to be loved, to be felt significant. Maybe I needed those experiences to grow. Holding on to shame doesn't change the past. Holding on to guilt doesn't make me any better. In fact, it blocks my vibrations and chakras. It only keeps me stuck. And so I am ready to release this shame, guilt, and resentment now. I'm more than my past mistakes. I choose to see myself through the lens of God, through the eyes of love. I am learning, I am growing, I am evolving every day, every single moment. I choose to forgive myself completely and unconditionally. Yes, I am worthy of a fresh start. I am free from the weight of shame. I am at peace. I feel guilty for the things I've done. And I feel even guiltier for the things I didn't do. I regret the times I hurt people, the people I love. I regret the times I didn't stand up for myself. I didn't express my voice. I've been punishing myself for so long, as if suffering will make up for my mistakes. I felt like I deserved to suffer because I didn't do my best. But guilt doesn't fix the past. It only keeps me trapped in pain. What if I choose to let go of this guilt now, forever? What if I allow myself to move forward unapologetically? I am human and I am allowed to make mistakes. So I choose to believe that I can make mistakes and still outgrow. I choose to learn from my past instead of punishing myself for it. I am worthy of peace, even after everything, even after all my wrongdoings and bad actions and inactions. I am worthy of love and peace. So now I give myself permission to release this guilt, to release this shame, to release this burden permanently. I do not have to carry it anymore because it's not serving me. I am still stuck. I've spent my lifetime in stuck. So now I'm free to create a new story for myself. I choose to honor my past and move forward with love. I'm releasing all the guilt and embracing forgiveness. I deserve to be happy, whole, and peace. So finally, I'm releasing all the guilt and embracing self-forgiveness. I choose to be liberal with myself. I am allowed to laugh. I am all allowed to make mistakes. Sometimes I am allowed to be lazy. I am allowed to procrastinate at times. But I choose to come out of it quickly. I choose to be free. I choose to be healed. I am enough. I am free. I am healed. I am enough. Take a deep breath in, guys, and deep breathe out. And with your hands on your heart, affirm with me, I now choose love and freedom over guilt and shame. I choose love and freedom over guilt and shame. I promise myself that I never let myself feel any guilt in any situation, no matter how bad decision I took, how wrong I did, how wrong I allowed someone to treat me. I choose to free me of the guilt and shame. I promise. I promise that I am enough. I am peace. I am happy. I am whole. I am complete. I am free. I am healed. I am enough. Take a deep breath in, exhale, and open your eyes. So tell me, how was it? You just need this. You just need you. Yes? Fine? How are you feeling? Tell me. Sneha, you joined quite late, I suppose. Yeah? You were not there in the beginning, right? Anyways, watch the recording later. How are you feeling, guys? Type in the chat box. Very powerful. Just spoke all the emotions inside. Yes. And it's with all of us. And we keep sabotaging us. We keep punishing us so much कि only I am the only person on the planet who is not growing, who is not evolving. मेरे ही हैं कि सब मैंने ही बस unfinished businesses छोड़े हैं. मैंने ही programs लेके complete नहीं किए हैं. बाकी तो सब शताब्दी पर चल रहे हैं. Stop punishing yourself. We all are sailing on the same boat. The only thing is, winners are who take sword in their own hand always, who don't let their emotions overpower them. Do this every single day, and you feel like you are in another energy zone. The problem is we don't do what we learn. Feeling a bit heavy? Repeat it. Don't worry. Sometimes क्या होता है, EFT करके ना वो सरफेस पे आ गए हैं, मे बी रिलीज नहीं हुए, मे बी गिल्ट बहुत ज्यादा है. अंडरस्टूड. कई बार गिल्ट इतना ज्यादा होता है कि वो 3-4 मल्टीपल सेशंस में जाता है. हम कल मिल रहे हैं ना, हम 1-on-1 में करेंगे. डोंट वरी. दिस केम एट अ परफेक्ट टाइम. एंड 1-on-1s में ऑलवेज कंप्लीट और डीप होता है, यू नो. यस. यस गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग देयर. आई एम सो सॉरी टैरो नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज एक कॉल आया है एंड मुझे जाना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. विल डू टैरो रीडिंग इन नेक्स्ट सेशन. ओके. क्या है? हाउ टू लूज कंट्रोल. How to lose control? Just by affirming na, even though I feel like that I am so harshly holding on to the life, now I choose to lose the control. I choose to soften my grip on life. You have to take charge of your words, Swati, nothing else. From, I bet you, for the next 20 days कुछ और मत करो. You have done a lot. Healing बहुत हुई. Now focus on construction. EFT is the thing you need to do now. ठीक है, even though I feel belittling myself, I feel punishing myself, entire day I'm feeling like I'm a loser, I'm not doing anything, everything is, slipping from my hands, still I choose to love and accept myself. Still I choose to respect myself, honor myself the way I am. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes of tapping every single day. करो और फिर बताओ कि नहीं हुआ. बिना करे मत बोलो. I know you are not doing it. You are only just sitting in your trauma. That's it. I know. With healing, lot has surfaced. Certain things have not worked out, and you are sitting in that guilt. And now you have to take charge to release it, right? Be your adult self. ना वही तो मैंने आपको सिखाया है बनना. I'm not doing it. We all are not doing it. Don't we feel sometimes that things are not working? We are doing so hard. We are pushing. No, we come out of it quickly and then enjoy our day. Then, good things happen to us. Magic happened to us. I'll share my story. Very beautiful recent जो हुआ है. Yeah, chalo. People are waiting for me. I have to leave. Okay, we'll do the tarots in the next session. Okay, bye bye everyone. Do share your experiences, breakthroughs in the group whenever you get it. Yes, Trupti, want to say something? Okay. Yes, bye bye. Somebody please take the screenshots of the chats and we'll meet super soon on Friday for very beautiful and deep session on cord cutting and EFT on chakras. Bye bye.